How to download and install WhatsApp mobile app. New to WhatsApp and want to try it out? Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and in this video I will show you how to download and install WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Tap search icon at bottom right corner. Select search bar at top of your screen and type in WhatsApp. Now search for this WhatsApp application on your device. And from the result, you need to select WhatsApp Messenger. Tap on Install button to start downloading. If prompted, you can confirm with Touch ID, Face ID or your password and wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded or installed, you will see Open button. You can simply tap Open to launch WhatsApp. Then follow the on-screen setup instruction to get started. That's all it takes. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.